This is what we got for that project. It's kind of a neat heater. It just kind of looks like a white blank on the wall, and we're going on white tile. It was fairly inexpensive. It is meant to plug into the wall, but I'm going to hardwire it into the wall. We have a tile shower, and the tile gets pretty cold to the touch. This is supposed to be a kind of an infrared panel heater that will warm that tile up and make it a little more comfortable. So I'll just bring you guys along and show you this this little doodad. Shouldn't be a big deal. This is the wall infrared heater that I'm putting in. It's got its own little switch here. I am just tested it out, make sure it works before I get going here. I'm just drilling a little hole in that trim there, and I have wiring and power on the back side of this. I'm going to hardwire that heater in there to make it a little more comfortable in the shower. Ought to be a nice addition. All right, I want to show you this real quick. I took a piece of wire and drilled that hole, stuck that wire through that hole. It was a little bit of a pain, and then fished it through this box here. You can see there, I fished it up through there. Now I'm going to tie this wire onto this wire and pull it through there. So there that is. I just taped that on there, and I'll work that through that hole. Okay, on this bathroom heater, I got that all back together, and this is what we ended up with. It's just a nice little warm wall heater. We'll just have to see how well that does. It's only a 600 watt heater, so it's not very powerful, but I think it'll be just enough to take the chill off that tile and make it a little more comfortable. I had to move the towels, moved them up there. Turned out okay. One more doodad complete. Thanks for watching.